Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 7 challenges, let's take up our 8th challenge now, which is show dynamic code terms. So once if you launch your playground, click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. And here I'm just going to click on code terms followed by new. So here for print order give 31 and for status let it be, and for parent term we are gonna give it as QT -002 and it should be 3 zeros. And now click on the result and click on active followed by logged as well. Let's scroll down and here you will find the body text box, and for this let's copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. And now if you go to related tab, you will find the term condition right over here. Click on new next to it. So for this tested field we are going to give it as payment terms, and for operator not equals, and for value give it as 30. So once if it is done, click on save. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So guys, here if you are getting this error, if you see the value is net 30 actually, so just copy this and let's open this and go to related and click on drop down next to the condition, close this and click on drop down followed by edit. So for value we are just going to change it as net 30. Now click on save and let's check this challenge now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges. So if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.